Hello, everyone. So, are you a computer science or an IT student who needs a serious final year system? Or maybe a developer who wants a full multi role school system in Laravel that you can study, customize, and present? This might be for you. So, this is EduCore, a complete Laravel school management system where schoolwork is not trapped in one exercise book or on the chalkboard. By this, I mean teachers assign work and track submissions, students can upload files and meet deadlines without chasing papers. Parents can track progress, fees, and attendance without waiting for visiting days. Secure integrated payment system. And last but not least, the admin panel, the whole structure from one system. I'm Weston from Code with Wes. And in this video, I'll show you some of the problems EduCore as a school management system solves. So, if you need the code to this Laravel School Management System, hit the link in the description right now to grab it at a massive 50% discount on my website. I've also included some free materials. It's a PDF you can download and see if the project aligns to your needs. So I'd like us to begin on the administrator panel of the Laravel School Management System. Before that, I chose a monochrome design to basically keep the UI clean and easy for custom branding. Let's say you want to buy the source code. It's easy to imprint your own identity, add your logos and images, but the logic is spot on. So I want us to create a couple of new users to test the logic. 2 students, a teacher and a parent, and see how we can link all of them together. So I want us to create 2 new students. So we've created 2 new students, one male, one female. I want to assume that they are related because I want to link them to one parent. But before that, the administrator can create a login for the students to log into their portal. So let's activate the accounts. So we have 2 new students with active accounts. Let's create another account for their parent. So now I want us to link the parents account to the 2 new accounts we created, the students account. In turn, this will allow the parent to view all details pertaining to both of the students. So we have our new test parent with 2 children. So I want us to create a new teacher. Now that the teacher account has been created, let's activate it. So the next step, I'd like us to assign the teacher. The teacher, we've created a new class together with a couple of subjects that the teacher will be in charge of, or rather assigned. Now, I want us to assign a couple of subjects to the teacher we created in the Laravel School Management System. So now we have everything set up for the teacher. We've assigned the teacher the class. We've assigned the teacher a couple of subjects. We've assigned the teacher students. Now let's log into the teacher and test the logic. This is the teacher dashboard. We have three assignments. By this I mean classes, students, or rather subjects. The teacher can view classes, students, homework. The teacher can enter marks, attendance, disciplinary. So let's key in a couple of things. We can begin with classes. So this is our assigned classes and the subjects. Student list. So the system had a couple of seeded data from before, but we're looking at the two new students we create and they're right here. So now I want us to create a new homework and assign it to our two new students. So when they can log into the school management system, they can view their homework. So let's post mathematics homework together with a PDF. To our test students. Mark the attendance of the two students. Let's select our class. Let's look for test accounts. So let's add a new disciplinary case for both our test students. Okay. Notify the parent in the account. So now we can log into the students portal of the Laravel School Management System and see if there are any changes made from the teacher side to the student side. Now, so we've logged into the student account. We can view the homework. This is the file. We can download the attachment. You can view the homework, smart questions. Submit this log. Submit. You can see a couple of the results we keyed in earlier. Okay, we have attendance. This is for one of our students, the one we marked absent. So I'd like to log back in into the teacher's portal and see if any information sent from the student is reflected back to the teacher, especially the homework. So let's log back in into the student's account and see if the homework is graded. So we can have a look at the parents' dashboard. So the parent dashboard contains two of the students we created earlier. The parents can view their students' progress. They can track their fee balances. They can track their attendance. Parents can view disciplinary cases. So this is the main dashboard of the parents. So last but not least is the finance dashboard. I want us to create an invoice or rather make a payment to an existing student in the system. So the system has two methods of payment. That is via card or M-Pesa or cash within the school. So you can prompt your phone to send the cash or you can pay with your card. So the payment is complete and is recorded. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Weston from Code with Wes, and I'll see you in the next one.